हॅलो स्टुडंट्स, वेलकम बॅक टू अवर चॅनल. आजच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण बघणार आहोत क्लास 7 हिस्ट्री चॅप्टर नंबर 2 इंडिया बिफोर द टाइम्स ऑफ शिवाजी महाराज याची एक्सरसाइज. चला तर मग लगेचच व्हिडिओला सुरुवात करूया. तसेच इतर विषयाच्या व्हिडिओची लिंक मी डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्समध्ये दिलेली आहे, तिथून तुम्ही बघू शकता.
Question number 1. Name the following. First, the Queen of Gondwana. Answer, Rani Durgavati. Second, the son of Uday Singh. Answer, Maharana Pratap. Third, the founder of Mughal Dayanas. Answer, Babur. Fourth, the first Sultan of the Bahmani Kingdom. Answer, Hassan Gangu. Fifth, the fighting force established by Guru Gobind Singh. Answer, Khalsa. Question number 2. Find the odd one out. First, Sultan Muhammad, Qutbuddin Aibak, Muhammad Ghuri, Babur. Answer, Babur. Second, Adi Shahi, Nizam Shahi, Sultanate, Barid Shahi. Answer, Sultanate. Third, Akbar, Aurangzeb, Humayun, Sher Shah. Answer, Sher Shah. Question number 3. Answer briefly. First, how did the kingdoms of Vijayanagar and Bahmani emerge? Answer. First point, there were many revolts in the south against the weak central power of Delhi. Second point, the disintegration of the Tughlaq Empire began during the reign of Muhammad Tughlaq. Third point, the formidable revolts led by Harihar and Bukka led to the emergence of Vijayanagar kingdom. Fourth point, the formidable revolt led by Hassan Gangu led to the emerge of the Bahmani kingdom. Second, what reforms did Muhammad Gawan make? Answer. First point, Muhammad Gawan, the chief wazir in the Bahmani kingdom, started the practice of paying soldiers in cash instead of land grants. Second point, he brought discipline in the army, study skills. Third point, he introduced many reforms in the land revenue system. Fourth point, he opened a madrasa at Bidar for Arabic and Persian studies. Third, why did it become impossible for the Mughals to strengthen their base in Ahoms? Answer. First point, the Mughals were engaged in a long conflict with Ahoms in the region of the Brahmaputra river. Second point, the Ahoms united under the leadership of Gadadhar Singh. Third point, Commander Lachit Borphukan gave an intense resistance to them. Fourth point, the Ahoms used guerrilla technique in the conflict with the Mughals. Question number 4. Write about them briefly in your own words. First, Krishna Devaraya. Answer. First point, Krishna Devaraya ascended to the throne of Vijayanagar is 1509 CE. Second point, he conquered and annexed Vijayawada and Rajmahendri to his kingdom. Third point, he defeated the combined forces of the Bahmani sultans led by Muhammad Shah. Fourth point, he was a capable ruler and a great general. Fifth point, he was a great scholar and wrote Amukta Malyada, a compendium on polity in Telugu. Sixth point, he built beautiful Hazar Ram temple and Vitthal temple. Second, Chand Bibi. Answer. First point, Chand Bibi was a capable daughter of Hussain Nizam Shah of Ahmednagar. Second point, she bravely defended Ahmednagar fort against the Mughal attack in 1595 CE. Third point, however, the internal strife in the court of Nizam Shah resulted in the murder of Chand Bibi. Fourth point, this led to the capture of Ahmednagar fort by the Mughals. Third, Queen Durgavati or Rani Durgavati. Answer. First point, Rani Durgavati belonged to Chandel Rajput family. Second point, she became Queen of Gondwana after her marriage skill. Third point, she was an excellent administrator. Fourth point, after the death of her husband, she fought for a long time against the army of Akbar. Fifth point, she did not surrender and died on the battlefield while fighting against the Mughal army. Question number 5. Give reasons. First, the Bahmani kingdom disintegrated into 5 fragments. Point first, factionalism among the Bahmani Sardars increased after the death of Muhammad Gawan. Second point, the conflict with the Vijayanagar kingdom had an adverse effect on the Bahmani kingdom. Third point, the provincial governors began to act more independently. All these factors led to the disintegration of the Bahmani kingdom into 5 fragments. Second, Rana Sangh's army was defeated. Point first, after the battle of Panipat, Rana Sangha of Mewar had brought together all Rajput kings. Second point, a battle was fought between Babur and Rana Sangha at Khanwa. Third point, however, Babur's artillery and reserve forces played a key role in the battle. As a result, Rana Sangha's army was defeated in the Battle of Khanwa. Third, Rana Pratap has become immortal in history. Point first, Maharana Pratap of Mewar continued the struggle for existence. Second point, he gave a valiant fight to Akbar to maintain the independence of Mewar. Third point, hence Maharana Pratap has become immortal in history for his valor, courage, self-respect and sacrifices. Fourth, Aurangzeb imprisoned Guru Tegh Bahadur. First point, Guru Tegh Bahadur was the 9th Guru of the Sikhs. Second point, he strongly protested against Aurangzeb's policy of religious intolerance. Third point, hence Aurangzeb imprisoned and beheaded Guru Tegh Bahadur in 1675 CE. Fifth, the Rajputs fought against the Mughals. First point, Aurangzeb failed to secure cooperation of the Rajputs due to his expansionist policy. Second point, he annexed Marwar after the death of Rana Jaswant Singh. Third point, Durgada Rathod crowned Ajit Singh, the minor son of Jaswant Singh, and fought against Aurangzeb for the survival of Marwar.
Question number 6. Complete the timeline.
तर स्टुडंट, इथे आपली एक्सरसाइज कंप्लीट झालेली आहे. तसेच व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर व्हिडिओला लाईक करा, चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा, तसेच तुमच्या मित्रांना व्हिडिओ शेअर करा. परत भेटूया एका नवीन व्हिडिओमध्ये. तोपर्यंत बाय.